Welcome back to Daytime Ottawa. How was that salad?
That's fantastic. Yeah. It's still sitting there.
Yeah, you're just eyeing it. That's right. Well, we do have a show to do, J-Man. No, but really, it was delicious. Thank you to Carlton for that. Coming up in this segment, we're going to be talking about robots.
Oh, I can do the robot.
Oh, let's see it. Oh, there you go.
Check it out.
Very nice. Well, Jonathan Chartrand is here. He's the owner of Ottawa Robotics Academy. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
And you're going to be helping to celebrate the 180th anniversary of the Rideau Canal.
I didn't know it was that long. Wow.
Yeah, well, that's an old canal. Right, but you're going to be actually at the Rideau Canal Festival from August 3rd to 6th.
That's right.
What are you guys going to be doing there?
Actually, the 4th and 5th.
Oh, the 4th and 5th.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Saturday, the 4th from 11 a.m. to 5, okay. And then on Sunday from 11 a.m. to 2.
Perfect. And so what can people see when you're there?
Well, people are going to be seeing a variety of robots. We're going to have 4 on demonstration, and the kids will be able to play with them, as well as they'll be able to do a little bit of assembly. Perhaps we'll take a couple of parts off and they'll be able to assemble it. Right. Hopefully they'll be able to put it back together again. Hopefully I will. And they'll also be able to do a little bit of programming on computer as well to get a feel of that. But it'll primarily be to demonstrate the various robots. And I brought one here. Some of the robots, what they're going to be doing is one of them is hitting a golf ball.
Oh, really?
Playing
That's
golf.
Advanced. What?
Yeah. Yeah. And but this is one of them here, and what I'll do is I'll demonstrate
well, I think
this.
we're actually looking at the one that hits the golf. How accurate is this guy? Does he have a really good score?
Oh yeah, well this shot here, he got a hole-in-one on this one.
Nice.
Are you serious?
Tiger Woods could use that machine right about now. That was a good joke. That was a good joke.
Yeah.
Well, these are the types of robots that you guys have, right? And what other skills do these robots do? Well, what's he doing here?
Oh, this is another shot of it hitting. I think that was the hole-in-one.
Well, that puts me to shame.
Yeah, all these shots are on my website. They're on YouTube as well.
Oh, okay.
And the whole purpose of the robots is to teach children ages 9 to 14 robotics.
So,
and that's what the Academy is for. That's what it was set up for.
Okay, great. Now, you brought one in.
I brought one in here, and I could just demonstrate this one. If the camera can get a close-up of this is the processor here.
So we'll just hold it up here?
Yeah.
So that's the processor.
This is the processor, and it's programmed so that the orange button here makes it go forward, and the right button makes it go right, the left button makes it go left. And I'll just demonstrate that here. Yeah,
that's very intuitive, I guess.
Yeah. So I'm just able to turn it any direction that I want and make it go forward. And if I pull on the cord a bit, it'll pop a wheelie.
Oh, that's nice. Check it out. Yeah. Now,
yeah, so this is one of them that the kids will be able to play with at the festival.
All right. Well, Jamin, I think you should play with this because you're actually better at video games than I am.
Good luck. Just don't send it off the table.
You know, years ago they used to have, God, like robotics, I think they called it, but it was a toy. Like when I was a kid, when I was 6, 7 years old. Yeah. Like, I mean, how far advanced was something like that really at the time? Like when you're seeing something like this
Well, they're getting a lot more advanced. Like the Lego has certainly come a long way, and there's other robotics as well. There's text. Do you forget the name of it now? Textin or something like that. And it's similar to the Lego robotics, but it's actual metal parts. Somebody's phone is going off here.
It's metal parts.
Sounds like my phone, actually.
Someone's phone.
And can some of the robots do that, actually? Play some
but
music?
these robots here, they're all plastic parts, and they're press fit, so you don't need any tools to assemble them.
And so this is something...
The software is very easy to program as well. You program it, the kids program it on computer. And it's a drag and drop program, similar to LabVIEW, which the engineers, robotic engineers actually use, and it is a drag and drop software. And you just drag various icons onto the work area, and you fill in the perimeters. Like you can make it go straight, turn left, turn right, whatever you want.
How's it going over there, Jimmy?
This is almost as fun as my Call of Duty. I play too much Call of Duty and Guitar Hero. It's disgusting, but this is a lot of fun.
It's a lot better than video games because it's like real hands-on stuff, and it is real. It's not
an educational.
It's not a simulated digital thing.
Yeah.
Right, and,
and it is very educational, yeah, exactly.
You do offer workshops on the weekends as
Exactly,
well.
yeah, on the weekends primarily, yeah.
And so how do those work?
It's a 10-hour course, and the kids come in for 2.5 hours per session. So every consecutive Saturday or Sunday for four of them in a row, totaling 10 hours, and they learn to assemble and program a variety of robots.
Now, what was the craziest robot that a child has ever come up with at your workshop?
Oh, well, we have base models that they built. So we have the instructions. They actually have the written instructions that they follow, okay, and then I guide them along the way.
Okay.
So it also teaches them to follow instructions, which is very important. I'm a certified, Ontario certified teacher, and I find that that is extremely important, that the kids be able to learn themselves, not just be able to say, you have to do this and here you do this, and they really don't understand why they're doing it. But when they actually have the instructions to do it, and they do it, and you're there to guide them, then that works really well as an instructional tool.
So it's not like Terminator and Skynet, where these kids could accidentally build some machine that's going to destroy the world?
That's not going to happen.
We're keeping it under control, right, Jonathan?
Yeah, quite. Yeah.
Okay, Jonathan, well, thank you so much for joining us today.
You're welcome.
So
thank you.
They can check you out on the 4th and the 5th of August.
That's right, yeah.
Okay.
And my website is Ottawa Robotics Academy.com.
Okay.
And you can go there and see a ton of other videos of the robots as well.
Perfect.
And make sure that you come to the Dows Festival.
Awesome. Thank you so
on
much.
The 4th and 5th, yeah. Thank
Perfect. Well, coming up next, we're talking about wedding season. Wedding season is in high season right now.
My favorite time of year.
Lots of parties and a lot of fun. Jocelyn Dayton from Eternity Bridal is going to be here right after the break. Thank you so much. Okay.